The Indian Scout 2026 arrives as a modern reinterpretation of a legendary American cruiser, blending heritage, raw power, and refined engineering into one stunning machine. As soon as you see the bike, its low-slung stance and muscular lines immediately reflect its classic DNA, yet every inch of the design signals that this is a motorcycle built for the modern era. The 2026 Scout carries its presence effortlessly, delivering a bold visual impact, whether it's parked on the roadside or roaring down the highway. Its silhouette maintains the iconic Scout identity. A stretched tank, exposed frame, clean curves, and a seat height that feels welcoming to both new and seasoned riders. But beneath that familiar aesthetic lies a whole new level of performance and sophistication. Powering the Indian Scout 2026 is a newly refined, liquid-cooled V-twin engine that delivers higher horsepower and stronger torque than the previous generation. With its improved combustion efficiency, better cooling channels, and lightweight components, the engine responds instantly to throttle input. Twist the throttle and the acceleration feels immediate, smooth and controlled, offering the kind of power band that makes city cruising effortless and highway rides exhilarating. The refinement in the 2026 model becomes clear the moment the engine comes alive. Its sound is deeper and more confident, engineered to maintain that classic V-twin rumble while reducing mechanical harshness. Riders will notice how vibration has been minimized without losing the signature character that Scout owners love. The chassis also receives significant improvements, making the bike more agile and stable. Indian has reworked the frame geometry to enhance cornering confidence, especially at higher speeds. The revised suspension, featuring upgraded front forks and a more responsive rear setup, offers better damping, allowing the Scout 2026 to glide over rough surfaces without unsettling the rider. Even when you push the bike aggressively through twists, it stays planted, predictable, and well-balanced. For urban environments, this improved handling translates to easier maneuverability in traffic and tighter control at low speeds. The braking system has also been modernized with stronger calipers, larger rotors, and advanced ABS calibration that delivers smoother, more reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. The Indian Scout 2026 also embraces modern technology in a thoughtful, rider-friendly way. The new semi-digital instrument cluster blends analog charm with contemporary features, offering clearer visibility and additional ride data. Riding modes have been introduced, giving the rider more flexibility to tailor the bike's behavior, depending on road conditions. Whether you want a calm and controlled ride for daily commuting or a more spirited response for weekend adventures, the bike adapts instantly. Traction control is now more advanced, providing enhanced stability while preserving the raw cruiser thrill. Every electronic improvement has been integrated with subtlety so that the riding experience remains pure, intuitive, and engaging. Comfort has been elevated as well. The 2026 Scout's ergonomics are optimized to reduce fatigue on long journeys, with an improved seat cushion, better weight distribution, and refined handlebar positioning. The bike's foot pegs allow riders to stretch naturally, giving a relaxing cruiser posture that feels just right for slow, scenic rides as well as fast highway cruising. Wind resistance is noticeably reduced thanks to redesigned components and smarter aerodynamics. For those who enjoy touring, the bike's accessories, such as detachable windshields, saddlebags, and backrests, have been upgraded for durability and ease of use. Indian Motorcycle also put special attention into the build quality and finish of the 2026 Scout. The paintwork has deeper gloss, the metal components feel stronger, and the attention to detail is visible in everything from the machining of the engine to the stitching of the seat. The LED lighting setup has been made more powerful, providing better visibility and a modern visual signature. The turn signals and tail light are now sharper and more refined, enhancing safety and aesthetics. Even the wiring and cabling have been rerouted more cleanly, giving the bike an overall premium and uncluttered look. Fuel efficiency has improved due to smart ECU programming and a more optimized fuel-air mix. Despite its increased power, the Scout 2026 manages to squeeze more out of every drop of fuel, making it a practical option for daily riders who want performance without sacrificing efficiency. The exhaust system has also been redesigned to comply with future emission standards while still preserving the rumbling personality of the bike. Riders who appreciate customization will find the Indian Scout 2026 more accommodating than ever. The platform supports a wide range of aftermarket and official Indian motorcycle accessories, allowing each rider to tailor the bike to their unique style. From touring builds to stripped-down bobber looks, the Scout 2026 adapts effortlessly. The new color options are bold and eye-catching, offering shades that match both classic cruiser culture and modern trends. The overall riding experience of the Indian Scout 2026 can be summed up as a perfect blend of nostalgia and future-ready engineering. It honors its history but refuses to stay in the past. Every ride feels authentic and connected, yet refined and smooth enough to meet today's expectations. It's the kind of motorcycle that appeals to riders who value craftsmanship, performance, and emotional connection. The Scout 2026 doesn't just transport you from one place to another, it transforms every journey into a memorable adventure.